Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming subscription and grabbing the smart DNS IP addresses. Write them down. Next, make sure Bgmi is installed and your Android has an active data or Wi-Fi connection. If you plan to modify APN or use a local DNS changer, enable developer options now. This gives access to advanced networking tools. Once done, decide whether you will change Wi-Fi DNS, modify APN, or use a DNS changer app, and move immediately to applying those DNS entries. You now implement the DNS. Open Wi-Fi settings, long press your network, modify network, and paste the Keepsolid primary and secondary IPs. Save and reconnect. If you use mobile data, edit the APN DNS fields or use a DNS changer app to bind Keepsolid addresses system-wide. Once configured, force stop Bgmi and clear cache to remove old DNS resolution because the app can cache IPs. Then relaunch Bgmi to let the new DNS resolve game servers correctly. You finish by verifying the active DNS using a network test app or Android connectivity info. Confirm the IPs match Keepsolid. If Bgmi won't connect, revert DNS to defaults and reboot your router or phone, then reapply Keepsolid DNS. Make sure to check for VPN conflicts and disable any VPN or proxy because they can override DNS. If nothing works, clear Bgmi cache. Only clear app data as a last option because that may reset game settings. Back up anything important first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.